for mushroom, red and round, growing quietly on the ground. Spotted and bright in forest deep, a mushroom stands while animals sleep. M is for moon, glowing up high, shining brightly in the night sky. A crescent full or a silver light, the moon brings magic to the night. M is for mouse, tiny and quick, with twitching nose and tail so slick. It scurries about, fast on its feet. A little mouse is cute and sweet.